Today's house is a mid-20th century residence that has undergone a restoration process aimed at preserving the traditional values and materials of Yucatecan architecture. Casa Goliana Mérida has 200 square meters, considering the original structure where the main suite, social area, and service spaces are located. An extension at the rear of the property added 2 additional bedrooms, one on the ground floor and another on the upper level. The ground floor bedroom has a privileged view of the pool and a small private garden, creating a sense of spaciousness and freshness. In the central patio, the pool runs through the property amid tropical vegetation until it reaches the extension, whose chukum facade features a pure, sober, and simple volumetry. The design seeks to reinterpret the traditional proportions of Yucatecan architecture, where solid mass dominates over openings. Contrasting with the contemporary interpretation of the chukum finishes, the property's old stone well has been transformed into a large planter, and along with the original stone wall, it establishes a symbolic connection between past and present. The historic part of the house consists of 3 bays, where a restoration process was carried out on the structure and original carpentry, preserving the existing doors and windows and reincorporating the pasta tile floors that were part of the project but had to be removed and replaced for construction reasons. The color palette here is predominantly neutral, except for the pasta tile floors, as seen in the white cement and chukum walls and exteriors. The space feels fresh and tropical through the use of vegetation, furniture, and wooden pieces in natural and raw tones, where art plays a central role in the environment. The kitchen features a chukum and granite island integrated with the outdoors through a large iron window that connects to the terrace. This area is part of the new construction, respecting the proportions and heights of the original structure and incorporating the use of regional stone in the flooring, following the same pattern as the interior pasta tile floors. In addition to the terrace and a concrete sofa, this section includes a half bathroom and a laundry area. The main entrance is through the original structure, where a small hall and living room are located. In this space, a colorful wooden piece of furniture serves a dual purpose, as an artistic feature and as a way to conceal the television behind its structure. The main suite is situated in the first bay of the house, and because it is on a corner, it benefits from exceptional lighting, with 2 sets of double doors and 2 windows facing the exterior, where the carpentry regulates the passage of light.